Come back to Pump Info News, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. They say that a voice note of Ogun Kele, how he take waka, go meet the government of Finland, betray Simon Ekpa in order way to take power. Don't come aside. My people, as that one they happen, we come they get them say the North, say the Northern Nigeria say they are going to fight with Tinubu over the decisions wey they take without them. E don red. My people, as e stand right now, no be small thing. They say that one woman don come outside say the problem of the North na the North himself dey cause am. Let me play the video of the woman before we jump to the next video.
I don't mean to be rude. I don't want to be rude to anybody, and I don't want to disrespect anybody, and I don't want to insult anybody. What I'm saying is that is the real truth. The real problem of Nigeria, are Northerners. Northerners, Fulani, Hausa are the problem of Nigeria. They don't want our Nigerian progress. If they are not the one in power, then nobody can do it. It's only them that can do it. If you say you deprive Igbo people from having what is supposed to be theirs, allow them to go for their Biafra. If you say Yoruba people are not competent, they cannot rule Nigeria, allow them to go. Then we, the Northerners, should just stay and rule ourselves. If we kill ourselves, that's our business. You cannot say no, because Igbos, you think Igbos are thieves, Igbos are wicked, Igbos are this, they are that, they are this. There is no way that there's not the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you cannot help the Igbos, allow them to go. If you cannot carry the Yorubas, if you don't want them to rule you, allow them to go. Then we, the Northerners, will rule ourselves. If it's going to be better. We are one Nigeria, so we want the best for Nigeria. So we should look at where we are going wrong so that we can perfect it.
Okay, my wonderful people. Now, let me play this video of the Northern and one of the Northern elder for Nigeria where they talk say they go fight Tinubu to make sure say they stop them of any kind of decision when they take without them. Watch the video.
Mr. President, you are not doing the mandate we give to you. If you are doing the mandate, governors want and they say this tax, they should withdraw it. Go and make consultation. You say no way, and you in your speech you say no going back. So it means whatever you decide is what to do. Your Excellency, remember, during Obasanjo, when he was a president, if they send you as a governor, you don't come to meeting, you send your deputy governor to come. Why now you're a president, the governor say they don't need this thing and you say you need it? Why? What is your interest on that tax? Then they ask you that this road that you are doing on the 15 trillion road on high sea, people doesn't need that road. We don't have a road to walk in. There's no road motorable that we can walk. You say you will do it. Why do you stick to anything that people say they don't need? You say you need it. Why? And you say we vote you. Actually, we vote you out again because you are not following what we need. We vote you not to come use us on autocracy. This is not military, Mr. President. We are people, we are Nigerian, we are human beings, we are like you. There's no different blood between you and us. The only difference, we vote you as a president. And all of us cannot be a president. And before you come, mind the people are there. So, Mr. President, this stampede cause a shame. People sharing rights want to die. And you say they should investigate. Investigate who? I went for palliative just to help people. Then I will be arrested and sentenced to prison tomorrow. Do you expect me to do? It's a failure of the government. That is why they are looking for food. Even COVID-19, people doesn't look food for as we are now. COVID-19 come and the past Bahari manage it. You doesn't even manage. If it's COVID-19, which means many people must have died. Because you don't manage the people. You don't know how to manage people at all. And you don't have manner of approach to your people. You just do anything you want as if it's a force we brought you to be there. Fine, Mr. President, thank you very much. We wish you success, but 2027, we vote you out. To play anything you want to, you are not coming back. No way we will vote you in. Because if you vote you in, it will be worse than this. This is more than COVID-19. People are suffering. There's no food. And anybody give palliative, you say they should be arrested and investigated. Why? Or somebody just make a comment that this is what happened in the government. You just send security to arrest him. Me, I don't care for arrest. I don't care to die. It's nothing. It's a normal. If you arrest me today, after you go out, I will come out. Because you can't remain there forever. You cannot, and your plan will not work. That voting is Viva will go vote. So if you vote you out, you go. Nobody can deceive us, say this is what we need and we'll go for it. We can't go for it, Mr. President. Thank you.
Okay, my wonderful people. Now, let me play this video. May you watch how Ogunkele take over from
my good people of Biafra. The information that is reaching to my desk about Nkere visit to Finland a week after the convention is coming out. And that's what gives him the impetus to make himself or to overthrow our PM. Because Ogunkele went to the Finland local police and tender a petition that he's second in command for PM. That PM is a terrorist, that they have been warning him. That's why they released the other 4 people and hold PM. If you people can know, Ogunkele, we are paid heavily. Even before Ogunkele joined the struggle, Ogunkele have an agreement with the federal government of Nigeria. They pay him heavily. If people in Brigi will know that when we come to the fundraising at that time, Ogunkele always give the highest, be the highest donor then. He went and lied to PM that he sponsored the football club and series of things that he tell PM, and PM say okay because he is well to do. That's why the PM trust him to be handling money, not knowing that Ogunkele have ulterior motive. If people that is close to them from then till now, they will know that since that time Ogunkele is doing trade by barter from the money people are donating, because since then he never give account. And Ogunkele don't want PM to show up again. That's why he came with this his kangaroo election with his group. People don't know that Ogunkele have been planning this since 2 years ago. They try to destabilize so many countries by using their rep. In Biafra land, he go down there and destabilize some men on ground. He paid them heavily. He collect money from government. He use the money we make in a weekly donations and fundraisers to distribute to people. He bought his way to where he is today. So what I'm saying, Biafras, the government will not keep quiet. The government has to go back to send people to Finland, to go to their local police, to go and find out those insiders that go and give them petition, which we know that Ogunkele went back to Finland to do that. If Ogunkele did not go there or he did not know anything about that, Ogunkele wouldn't have started fighting COS, start destabilizing the house, start blowing lies. He start from Hungary killing the men on ground, and he get gullible ones. All the reps he get, he pay the money. He pay all of them money. Even in Biafra land, he pays some of them money. So what I'm saying is, Biafra, please, we have to do something. Our PM is in Europe, because the next thing they will do now, they are trying any possible means to see that they convince Finland to hand PM over to Nigerian government. That's what Ogunkele is fighting. Ogunkele is not fighting to liberate Biafras. He wants to use all these gullible ones to make money or to fulfill agreement he has with the federal government of Nigeria. That is why in the space they have, the people that fall in that space, is Yoruba and Edo people and some middle belt. If you go there and listen to their voices, you will find out that there are Yorubas, Benin people, almost all those people that are inobedient, all of them is now in their space. Whenever you talk something about COS there, they'll bounce on you. So what I'm saying, please, the people in media, you people should wake up, so that we need to give these people bumper to bumper. During Nelly Ofebu time, PM is on media then. He bombarded them. That's why he could be able to win the battle there. Please, my people, we have to do something, because we should. People will not take this as a joke. If this man will start, try the first one, try the second one to destabilize the declaration, he couldn't succeed. He was penetrating small. He come up with lie that Hungary is killing people on ground. He did not succeed. Then he come up to this last point by electing overthrow PM. Kuru with Kuru. Biafrans, we are wise. We can handle Logan Kera and his group. I'm only saying this because whenever the message come like this, we need to dish it out so that our people have to go to work immediately.
Okay, my wonderful people. You don't say I say you don't read. I bet me you share this video. Don't forget to stay for Pop Info News.